Turn the appliance on by pressing the power button. Then, choose the steam cycle based on your needs. You can choose from a variety of cycle options after choosing the steam cycle to improve washing performance and efficiency. As soon as you choose the steam cycle, a certain set of parameters will switch on automatically. The steam settings will change from cycle to cycle. Not all options will function with each steam cycle. A cycle start can be delayed using the delay start feature. The delay time increases by an hour each time the delay start button is touched. Close the door and press the start button to operate the appliance and start the steam cycle.